I've got so many examples of this where people with a small team go, I don't want to get big. And you go, really? I think that getting big is easier than being small. And they go, I don't understand how you can say that. And you go, well, when you have a team of 5, one person is sick, and this is an ideal conversation because of how COVID has impacted on businesses. You have one person who goes away, you've lost 20% of your workforce. Now, the largest business I had 120 staff. If one was away, how much did that impact on the ability to deliver? Less than 1%, depending on the role that they were doing. So my feeling is that if you can build a business and manage to delegate most of the responsibilities to teams, those teams take ownership, and you have a system in place for making sure that you've got a finger on the pulse, then you can have freedom from your business to do the things that are most important that a business owner does. And that is inspire, engage, strategic alliances, your team, your suppliers, your customers. Really the figurehead of the business there's a lot of responsibility on them. And by you spending all of your time in the trenches doing the work, you're really abdicating the leadership role.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And I don't think, I mean, from my end, I don't know if I realized that until I actually went out and started to hire people. I mean, you could talk to me all you want. I think that's how I am as a human being, but you really don't see the power of leverage. Especially from, I guess, for a lot of business owners, maybe hiring someone is often seen as an expense. I go hire a buyer's agent, it's going to cost me $70,000 a year, plus I'm going to do that. The way you position that of it's going to cost you, and we worked out the numbers, you said, no, they're going to make you X amount. And just that little switch. I mean, I remember having a chat with Frank after I got off the phone to you or off the Zoom. And I sat there and I said, how does he just spin that? And then it literally changed the entire thing. 2 weeks later, we had a buyer's agent. He's the best. He's an absolute jet as well. Now we've got a virtual assistant, a social media specialist, and it's just with that mindset of it's not a cost. It's absolutely an investment, and it is going to make you money. So very, very interesting. Very interesting. I guess it hasn't been since then that our business has seen the level of growth that it has, and really in the last 6 months. So very interesting.